In this video, you will learn how to access our online Next Reads newsletter sign-up form. As a Fresno County resident, you can get a free library card by visiting any of our branches. To get started, you will need to go to the library website at www.fresnolibrary.org. Once you have reached the home page, hover over the Browse tab and click on Online Resources. You will be directed to our list of online resources from A to Z. Scroll down and click on Next Reads. Next Reads is an electronic newsletter that is sent straight to your email. The recommendations sent to you are based on the choices you select when you sign up. To sign up, simply click on the box next to your desired choices. There are 4 main sections: featured newsletters, fiction, nonfiction, and kids and teens. You can select as many as you'd like. To get more information on each choice, click on the eye icon next to them. Lastly, enter your first name, last name, and email address. Please note that the email you use to sign up is the same email the newsletters will be sent to. Also, make sure to read the acknowledgement statement and the privacy policy. When you are done, click on the square next to the phrase, "I am not a robot." Click subscribe and you are done. A confirmation email will be sent to you shortly after. Our Staff Picks newsletter contains other exciting resources and upcoming events, so be sure to check those out. If you have any questions, please call 600-7323 or email elibraryhelp@fresnolibrary.org. Enjoy!